Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to trap an error in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, instead of returning this divided by zero error in cell D2, we are going to show you how to return the words not available instead of that error. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So if I have a spreadsheet and I want to put in a formula, let's say in this case I want to do equal number of plumbing complaints in cell A2 divided by plumbers on duty in cell B2. And if I hit enter, I can see that Excel is trying to divide by zero. So I get an error that looks like this. However, what if I wanted to return a more user-friendly message instead of this pound div over zero exclamation point? Well, I can do that using a function called IFERROR. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So if I click up here in the formula bar right after the equals sign and right before the A2, if I type the phrase if error, all one word, with a left parenthesis, the first argument I'm being prompted for is a value. So the value I want in there is the current formula that I have. And I'm going to click after my formula and then type a comma. And now there's an argument for value if error. So in double quotes, I want to put not available, close my double quotes, and then close my parenthesis for the if error function and hit enter. So now I can see that instead of returning the pound div over zero exclamation point, I'm now getting the words not available. So if I go over here into B1 and I type 1 for my number of plumbers on duty, I now am getting the results of A2 divided by B2 when it doesn't have an error. It's only when I put a 0 in here because Excel is divided by 0 that I am returned with an error. So this works on other errors besides divided by 0. And we go into a lot more ways that you can use if error out on our blog. I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.